Do you think you can learn a foreign language overnight or quickly become a successful race car driver, a skilled carpenter, a professional computer programmer, or any other skill and profession you can imagine? No, it's not possible. There aren't any shortcuts to become professional at something, and it requires ongoing learning, hard working, patience, and time. In other words, experience. And this is also true with trading. Trading in financial markets is exciting and potentially a lucrative career. And while the path to success in trading seems relatively straightforward, but this doesn't mean it's easy. Many new traders approach trading with this mentality to make more money and become rich in a short period of time. But similar to any other career or profession, to become a successful trader, it demands serious and ongoing study, hard working, dedication, discipline, and experience. Neglecting these facts alongside with some other mistakes and wrong approaches are the reason that the majority of retail traders fail to achieve success. One of the most effective way of learning is learning from the mistakes of other traders who didn't achieve success. In this video, we're going to discuss why most traders fail, and we're going to explore effective ways to overcome the problems so the chance of achieving success will be improved by the help of the tips we're going to talk about. Before we start, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, let's begin with the first one. Constant changing between strategies. This is probably familiar to you. Spending time learning or developing a strategy, testing its effectiveness and employing it for a short period of time, but then become frustrated and thinking of a better one, so you decide to change your trading strategy and you start the process all over again. The problem here is that new traders do this prematurely, meaning they don't give their strategy enough time to prove itself in different conditions, and they quickly become frustrated with a series of failures. The key here is that new traders must spend enough time monitoring the strategy to find out if it needs any adjustments or not. For example, widening or tightening stop loss, or increasing or decreasing the profit target, or improving the trade entry settings such as adjusting indicators or chart related tools. So when you learn and develop a new trading strategy, you must stick to it and give it enough time, and you must constantly monitor and make adjustments to improve its effectiveness. If it's not improving and the strategy doesn't give your expected result, then you can change to another strategy. If you do this prematurely and constantly change your trading strategy, you'll end up wasting a lot of time and damaging your confidence. The second mistake is trading too aggressively. This is the mistake that nearly all new traders do it, and many of them blow their trading account because of this. They have this mentality of making money and getting rich, so on one hand they try to open large positions in the hope of making more profit, and on the other hand they aggressively enter in the market in the fear of missing out and thinking there is scarcity of opportunities. But this is not true, because there is always tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Trading opportunity is like a train. There is always another one coming. Trading aggressively is more like gambling, especially after a few bad trades. These traders find themselves trading in revenge. They feel that the market owes them, so they behave aggressively for taking revenge. These are emotions of a gambler, not a trader. You're not going to win every trade or to finish every day in profit. The real goal of trading is to be profitable on average, not exclusively. The third mistake is not having a trading plan, and it's one of the biggest causes of failure in trading. You must have a trading plan and execute your trades exactly based on what you have planned. Having a trading plan is the crucial part of achieving and maintaining success in trading. You may develop a very good strategy and achieve some good results with your strategy, but without having a trading plan, you cannot do it consistently. In other words, you cannot maintain your success in long run. Trading plan is a must for all traders. It's the key for controlling your emotions and maintaining your discipline in trading. All traders must have a clear trading plan that illustrates every steps that they take for their trading decisions. Otherwise, there is no way for them to evaluate if they're doing it right or wrong in terms of their decision-taking process. Everything must be included in the trading plan, like what to buy, how to buy, the amount to buy, the risk level, risk to reward ratio, how the stop loss and profit targets are set, and even even any special considerations such as how to deal with sudden news and events affecting the price. Everything must be predetermined and tested and constantly evaluated and optimized. And the last mistake I want to explain in this video is focusing on the win rate and not managing the risk properly. Risk management is the most important aspect of trading. It's entirely possible to have, for example, 90% win rate but still lose money. And on the other hand, it's possible to have a low win rate, for example, 55%, but still make money consistently. The secret for this is having a proper risk management strategy and adequate risk to reward ratio based on your winning rate. In your risk management strategy, your stop loss and profit target must be predetermined before you entering in any trade. So you can estimate your risk to reward ratio and also determine the amount of your trade based on your stop loss, so you will not lose more than your set amount of loss in your risk management strategy. I have a video about risk management and all these subjects are explained there, along with a risk management strategy, which is an excellent strategy of managing risk for active traders. The link is also in the description of this video and I recommend you to watch it because risk management is the most important factor in trading and the key to your success. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.